Welcome back to My Espresso. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to measure your first espresso. By the end of this video, you'll have a recipe and a history. Let's get started. Tap Espresso at the bottom of your screen. This is the setup screen. This is where you put all the equipment and materials you're going to use for your espresso. Tap the drop-down arrow to choose your bean. Add the amount of coffee you're using in grams. Select your machine. Add the temperature your machine is set to. Choose the basket you're using. Select your grinder and grind level. The grind level can depend on the type of grinder you have. Now toggle for whether you needled your coffee grounds, added a puck screen, or a paper filter. When you're ready, tap Next. Now it's time to record your espresso. When you're ready, tap the Brew icon to time your extraction. You can stop the timer by pressing the stop button or redo by pressing the reverse arrow. Once you or your machine has finished, press stop. Your extraction time is automatically saved. Press the next arrow. Here is a summary of the results of your extraction. If your extraction time was wrong, you can change it here. Now you can add your yield of coffee in grams. Add the reading of your pressure gauge. And now for the score. This is for you to decide once you've tasted your espresso. It can be anywhere from 0 to 100. Add any comments you think are relevant. This could be how it tastes, what you can do next time, and even questions. Click Save. And there you have it, your first recipe. You can find and reuse these later by tapping History or Recipes at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to all our channels on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.